back to Crafting Cars. Today, we're going to be washing my sister's truck. I guess everybody that sees my videos thinks that I love washing cars. Well, first things first. I'm going to throw some car wash solution here in this bucket. Mix it up. Street appeal. Yeah. Best thing Dollar Tree ever had. Alright, let's mix this sucker up. Yeah, looks good. Alright, I'm going to use some of these, just red mold towels that have been washed a few times. Use that to buff later. Now if you drop your rag on the ground, do not throw it back in the bucket. Always just get another rag, otherwise you can scratch the side of the truck or scratch the side of any vehicle that you're washing. Alright, I'm going to set you up on the tripod and we'll get to washing. Always wash top to bottom.
Got a stud on the inside. I'll go ahead and swap out my rags.
There's quite a few scratches on this truck. Runs up through here. Let's see if I can even catch that. See that? That's not water. That's a scratch. I'm gonna try to buff some of these out just by hand buffing. We'll see if they'll come out. Most of them will probably stay there, but some of them will lighten them. Like those right there, you can't get those out. That's all the way down to your primer layer. But some of these that are still like surface scratches, you can. There's this stuff right here won't wash off, so I'm going to try to buff it off as well. That's not going to be fixed. That one's awful deep. I don't think I can fix it. But we'll go through and see if I can hit a couple of these and shine them up a little bit. Maybe they won't be as noticeable. And like this little dinger right here, I can probably get that plastic off where someone backed into something plastic. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll come back and we'll get on the interior. Well, here's the interior. Some mud. Everything else is pretty nice. Clean. I'm just going to try to clean up the floors a little bit. And we're going to call it a day because I am freezing. Clean up some of this. Just try to vacuum around. Alright, we'll get into it. Well, the sun ran away from me, but got all the carpets cleaned and vacuumed out and did the door panels. This is the one that was covered in mud. Door panel. Did the dash where there was mud up here. Did all the mud that was down through here. Well, that's gonna be about it. As clean as I'm getting it. You're welcome, Christina. Alright, well this is gonna be the end of our video on cleaning this truck. Hopefully I'll have a couple more videos out this week. Right now everything's just a little slow because it's so cold out. But thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit that bell button so you get notified when I have another video out. And thanks for sticking around. See y'all next time. Have a good day.